Bangalore, Karnataka state. Now I am here in my own land. This is more good place to live for me because it's my birthplace. This place. I am not an English speaker. English is not my native language. So please pardon me with my English mistakes in my English speaking. Today is a sunny day. Before it was heavy rain and heavy wind before some days. Now from yesterday it is good, getting good sunlight, pleasant climate. Many of you, hello, I'm not very comfortable, so I'm sorry, you can ask me any questions. My investigations suggest that there are issues with the relativistic view of the universe. This place, you have more than 1 acre of land I have here. So I can plant my required vegetables. I like to produce my food. So hello, I didn't see the message. Somebody sent a message. As you know, you can watch videos and you can download my book at free of cost. It is available for free in my I have Amazon to buy a printed book you need to go to the Amazon page. I have given the links in the description. You can buy my books and you can watch my videos and you will understand what I am trying to say about my research. Einstein developed his theory of relativity based on the concept that the one of the cornerstone of relativity is the non-existence of the space-filling substance or ether. So Michelson-Morley, the result of the null result of the Michelson-Morley experiment, as one of the founding pillar of theory of relativity. Michelson-Morley experiment failed to detect a space-filling substance. So, based on that idea, based on that experiment, in fact, Einstein came to the Einstein developed the theory of relativity. However, based on my studies, I have come to the conclusion that mass defect results in the creation of a super thin form of matter, and that matter filled everywhere in the universe. Since mass defect is a universally occurring phenomenon, for example, all active stars in the universe or collision events, celestial collision events, and black hole mergers, neutron star collisions, supernova explosions, all these phenomena in the universe results in the large scale mass defects throughout the universe. In fact, a mass defect is a universally occurring phenomena. According to my studies, every mass defect in the universe are in fact not destroyed as Einstein suggests or Einstein believed. According to Einstein, mass defect, Einstein said that mass and energy are two sides of the same thing. That is, mass can be converted into energy. Energy can be converted back into matter, mass. So, I found a serious problem with this concept. Now I'll explain how I reached the conclusion. Energy associated with a mass defect. Energy associated with a mass defect appears as the kinetic energy of the products and product fragments. If you see any radioactivity, nuclear reactions, nuclear fusion reactions, fission reactions, or any high energy reactions, the energy appeared as the kinetic energy of the product particles or product fragments. For example, consider radioactivity. When a radioactive isotope decays, it produces fragments, product fragments. These fragments travel at very high speed. For example, alpha particle alpha particle, because it is heavier, it travels less speed than lesser speed than beta particle. Beta particle travel uh, uh, close to the speed of light, but alpha particle travels much lesser speed. Since alpha particle are much heavier, uh, they have more inertia, they travel lesser speed. But beta particle, since they are very smaller than, or very mass much less than alpha particle, they can travel much higher speed. But neutrinos, neutrinos, etc. are recent times we found that before it was believed that neutrinos are almost nearly massless particles, but recent studies shows that neutrinos are not massless. They have a very small mass. These neutrino particles, neutrinos, travels closer to the speed of light. So, a radioactivity or any nuclear reaction, the energy in a nuclear reaction appears mainly as the kinetic energy of the products or product fragments. Now the question is, where does this product fragments or product particles gain their kinetic energy? Any particle with a mass to move, to travel from point A to point B, it requires energy. Any particle to move through space, because of inertia, its mass, it needs energy. So, if a particle moves through space, that means something pushes the particle. So, if alpha particle, beta particle, neutrinos, any other particle, if it moves, it has kinetic energy. That means something is pushes this particle. Since alpha particle are much heavier, since it has more mass, it has more inertia, it needs more push to move through space. Beta particle, since it's a comparatively much lesser mass particle, it needs less push to move through space. Since neutrinos are nearly massless, it requires it has less mass, less inertia, so it can move at a very high speed at the same push that experienced by other particle. So my conclusion is that nuclear energy appears mostly as the kinetic energy of the products or product fragments. It leads me to conclude that something pushes these particles. So I came to the belief that something, when a nuclear explosion happens or radioactivity happens, something pushes this particle, the product fragments. So instead of saying the missing mass, about the missing mass when there is a radioactivity or nuclear reaction for fission or fusion, whatever, there is a missing mass. So instead of saying mass is converted into energy, I would like to say that mass, the disappeared mass, is exploded, detonated into something very, very fine type of matter. So perhaps just like how explosive, a grenade shell, when a grenade shell explodes, the explosive in the grenade ignite and detonate, and this propels the fragments, the tiny fragments in every directions. Similarly, when a radioactivity or when a reaction, nuclear fission or fusion happens, the missing mass, the mass defect, is exploded, and this explosion pushes or propels the product fragments in every directions. So I came to the conclusion that instead of mass is converted into energy, the missing mass exploded, detonated, and this detonation propels the product particles. So since a nuclear energy released as the kinetic energy of the product fragments, it lets us to think that perhaps the mass defect is exploded and propels the product fragments. It has a huge significance in the understanding of the universe. Since mass defect is a universally occurring phenomena, for example, every active stars in the universe, it is every cell collisions, even a asteroid impact the earth or any other planet, some of the mass is disappeared when a high energy collision happens in a particle accelerator. When these particles collide each other, it dismantle or disintegrate the particles into smaller particles, and these smaller particles can be joined, fused together to form like a Higgs boson, something like that. But when two particles are collided in a particle accelerator, a major, not a major, but some amount of mass is missed from this collision event. This matter is a very small, tiny amount. Every nuclear reactions creates mass defect. These are all very smaller scales, but in astronomical level, every active stars in the universe, when a star burns, the nuclear reactions in the stars creates mass defects. For example, our current estimation says that billions of tons of missing mass happening in every second, each second in our own star. So every active stars in the universe, every astronomical collisions like black hole mergers, neutron star collisions, uh, supernova explosions, exploding stars. These are, we know about all this, but probably other events in the universe are there which produces results in the mass defects on a larger scales. So this is a universally occurring phenomena. Mass defect is a universally occurring phenomena. If that is the case, if mass defect is converted into a super thin form of matter, if that is a universally occurring phenomena, since it's a universally occurring phenomena, the mass defect, or if the mass defect are converted into, is exploded and converted into another form of matter, that leads us to a revolutionary possibility that the space is filled with this type of matter. Since mass defect is a universally occurring phenomena, every corner of the space in the entire universe is filled with this type of matter. That means if you suck the air, this, if you completely remove the air from this place, it still has a type of matter. Since the idea that space is filled with a type of matter called ether, see, it was a very ancient idea, some 2000 years old idea. This is, so I would like to call this matter as ether. So if that is the case, that is, if space is filled with a type of matter, it has a universally, it has a high impact in the understanding of the universe. If space is filled with a type of matter, it has a huge significance in the understanding of the universe. For example, the structure of the atom. If space is filled with a type of matter, it is certain, it is obvious that the space inside an atom also is filled with this type of matter. So, and perhaps the propagation of light, gravity, and all forces in the nature are influenced by this matter, the space filling matter. It can explain many important phenomena in the universe which are now attributed to the relativistic concepts. Today we are using the relativistic approach to explain many important phenomena such as gravitational lensing, starlight bending, black hole formation, Lorentz contraction, increasing of mass of a moving body, time dilation. All these effects can be explained with the help of this new idea that space is filled with a type of matter. So it is very interesting theory or very interesting idea, or it is a very interesting possibility that perhaps our understanding of the universe is going to completely change forever with this new idea. So, I would like to welcome all researchers around the world to join this new development. I sincerely believe that we are entering into a new era of scientific revolution. We can explain many important phenomena in the universe. It will provide a new insight into the understanding of the universe. It will help us to see the universe in a different way. So I welcome all researchers, natural philosophers, thinkers to this new understanding of the universe. Thank you. This I like this place very much. So the Kerala, full of greeneries and plantations, all spices, all spices you'll find here. It's a very nice place to live. My friend Daniel McDonald from USA. I thank him for his support. My friends around the world, my friend from Canada, my friend from Germany, Australia, Taiwan. I thank you very much. Please keep watching my videos. Sometimes I'll come live. Please do join, and all thinkers who has the courage to think in a different way, to come out of the box. I am not an English speaker, so I have difficulty in conveying my message, my thought completely. Hopefully, I will improve as time passes. So, please do watch my videos, and my book is available for free. I'll give links inside the description box. And now I am writing a new book. Hopefully, I'll be able to publish it in 1 month or so. And I also would like to translate my new book into different languages with the help of artificial intelligence. I can't afford to translate human translators, since I am not very rich to do that. So if somebody would like to help me do that, I am happy to receive your help. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, any clarification, you can ask me. Most of the days I'll come live. You can communicate with me. And my email address is atommodel@gmail.com. I have a YouTube, we have a Facebook account, facebook.com/j.tuduga. You can join there also. Thank you very much.